Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Hanson Pretty. On this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to play music on Bingo Live. So if you want to know how to play music on Bingo Live, sit tight and watch this video to the very end. So all you need to do is to log in your Bingo Live account. On your Bingo Live, just like this, you click on the live button at the bottom of your screen. Music. So that's music. And start now. Once you have clicked on start now, your live just like this. Now all you need to do now is to go to your audio mark, your Spotify, and play music. So any music you play now will be playing live on your Bingo Live. Any music you play now will be playing on your Bingo Live. So guys, that is this. If you find this video useful, please do well to give this video a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys in my next video.